In this video, we'll show you how to set up ICSee cameras on a computer so they can upload footage to the cloud for free. If you watched our previous video but couldn't get your camera set up, don't worry. By following the steps in this video, you'll be able to complete the setup and have your ICSee camera saving footage to the cloud for free. Since many of you haven't seen the previous video, we'll quickly repeat the most important points here. First, you'll need a Google account connected to your camera. You can use an existing account or create a new one. We won't cover account creation here to keep the video short. Next, open your browser and go to Gmail. You can use Chrome or any browser you prefer. Click your profile picture in the top right corner, then select Manage your Google account to open your account settings. Once you're inside, use the search bar and type two-step. From the results, select two-step verification phones. If this page appears, click Add Phone Number. Make sure to enter a valid number, including your country code, since Google will send you a verification code. After entering your phone number, click Next, then Save if needed. If prompted, click Turn On and continue through the steps until two-step verification is enabled. Once done, go back and search for app passwords. Open the option. Enter any name and click Create. Your password will be generated. Copy it and click Done. You can now save the password in a safe place, such as an email draft, making sure to remove any spaces. Now go to your Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon. Open See All Settings, then go to Filters and Blocked Addresses. Click Create a new filter. In the From field, enter your own email address. Click Create Filter, then check the option Delete It. Confirm by clicking Create Filter again. This helps automatically manage storage for camera notifications. Now, let's move to the camera setup. We'll use the VMS software. Make sure you download the latest version from the link in the description or pinned comment. This version is safe, but you can scan it with antivirus software like VirusTotal if you prefer. We won't cover the installation here, since we already have a separate tutorial. A video card will appear on the screen now. If you need help with installation, you can click it and watch the full guide. Once you're done, just come back to this video and continue from here. After installation, open the program. On the login screen, choose Cloud Account Login. Enter the same account you use in the ICSee mobile app. If you want, you can check the option to stay logged in, then click Sign In. Once inside, you'll usually land on the monitor screen. If not, go to Home. Then select Monitor. If your camera appears without a red X, it means it is online. Right-click your camera and open the Settings option. Inside the Alarm Config section, click Intelligent Alert or Motion Detection, depending on your system. Then turn on the Send Email option. Click Apply, then OK to save. Now go to Network Settings, then click Email. Enable email notifications. Fill in the following details. Set the SMTP server to SMTP, gmail.com. Use port 465 and select SSL encryption. Then enter your Gmail address as the username and paste your app password in the password field. Next, set both the sender and receiver to your Gmail address. You can also set a custom title to identify each camera if you are using multiple devices. Click Test to check if everything is working. If you see a success message, click Apply and then OK. You should also receive a test email in your trash folder. Whenever the camera detects motion, it will send snapshots to your email automatically. These images are usually stored for around 30 days and then removed automatically to free up space. If you have multiple cameras, repeat the same setup and use different titles to identify each one. Before we finish, one important thing. This method is only a backup solution. It helps you save important recordings in the cloud, but it does not replace a memory card. And that's it. We hope this tutorial was helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. God bless you, and we'll see you in the next video.